The following video will show a student how to access the Anderson College Moodle system. Open your favorite web browser and type in Moodle, M-O-O-D-L-E, .andersoncollege.com. You should receive an Anderson College logo screen like this. You simply click on Teacher and Student Login. You click that button and you sign in with the same ID and password that you use to log into Microsoft Teams. And whatever your password is. Click on Sign In and stay signed in. If you receive a button like this, just click on Continue. And you should be brought to a screen like such with all your programs that you're registered in on the left-hand side. And that is how you access the Anderson College Moodle system.